Pizza, cheese, pizza. I've got to say I love using a variety of fine European cheeses on my wood-fired pizzas. Today I'm going to show you my famous homemade meatball pizza, and I'm going to be topping it with well-aged Asiago cheese. Asiago Stagionato is a semi-fat hard cheese with a semi-cooked curd. You can't just make this cheese anywhere. It has a smooth, regular rind and granular texture. It is aged from 4 to 10 months. I appreciate Asiago for its unique qualities and its distinctive flavor that differentiates it from any other mature cheese. What I also love about Asiago is how versatile it is. As a chef, having a good quality product is very important to me. Seeing a PDO stamp on the cheese is a guarantee of quality. You don't get that stamp without a unique combination of human and environmental factors that represent excellence in European food production. I love this dish. It reminds me of my childhood growing up on the East Coast. I made it with Asiago Stagionato cheese, and this cheese was made with amore.